Hello friends, this is Manish Dwivedi. Today we are going to discuss the concept of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a study of human behavior at the individual level, group level and organizational level that investigates the impact that individual, group and organization have on behavior within an organization and how basically it improves the performance, it improves the productivity, it improves the job satisfaction level of an employees in an organization. It has in various applications in an organizational context. If you talk about organizational behavior, it basically includes all the aspects related to the employee's behavior. It encompasses motivational level, learning capacity, attitude, stress, group dynamics, as well as conflicts. These all the factors which affects the employee's behavior in an organization is a part of organizational behavior. So, what are the characteristics of an organizational behavior? It helps to improve the productivity, it helps to improve the efficiency of an employees in an organization. It is a goal oriented policy that needs to be incorporated by the organization, as well as if you talk about an organizational behavior, it is in context of whole improve the productivity of an employees in an organization. So there are various opportunities and challenges in an organization in context of achieving an organizational goal. So if you talk about the globalization, because it is an era of globalization, people from various parts of the country come across and work together in an organization. They share some common values, beliefs in an organization, and they basically differ from their background and how basically to manage and cope up with the diversity exist in an organization is a part of organizational behavior, and how basically the important part of the organizational behavior is how to manage all the diversity in an organization in the era of globalization, and how basically it helps to improve the efficiency of an employees in an organization, as well as it also includes the quality improvement. It also provides the job satisfaction level of an employees. It also reduce the turnover and absenteeism of employees in an organization. So these are the various factors that basically has an application of an organizational behavior in an organizational context. So if you talk about the how basically organizational behavior originated from, it has an origin from the various disciplines. One part of it is in psychology. Psychology is a part of human behavior, the study of human behavior that encompasses all the aspects related to the personality, related to the attitude, learning, motivation, stress. These are the things that include in psychological aspects of an employee in an organization. So, if employees are motivated to do the work in an organization, it would help to improve the productivity. If employees has more learning capacity in an organization, then the training program of an organization would be more successful. If you talk about the perception, how employer or employees perceive one another, so this is most important aspects that needs to be uh, look into consideration. If you talk about an attitude, how employees think about an organization, whether they have a positive attitude or negative. So this is all important aspect of human behavior, because in an organization you need to get work done from the employees. And how basically employees perform in an organization, this is the most important aspect, because employees are considered to be an asset of an organization, and organization need to be taken care of their employees, and so their behavioral aspect should be taken into consideration while making the policy decisions of in an organization. So this is the one aspect of an psychology. It, organizational behavior disciplines is derived from the psychology. Another is it is derived from the sociology aspect. Sociology is a study of group behavior. Like if you talk about the group dynamics, teamwork, group productivity. So these are the aspects that include in, it's a part of sociology. So sociology is basically how basically the team works, how to manage the team, how the leader become a more powerful or influence the subordinates. These are all the aspects that are included in the sociology. So therefore the this organizational behavior discipline derived from the sociology also. Another aspect is it is derived from the anthropology also. Anthropology is the basically the study of the cultural values in an organizational context, right? Because people coming from various diverse background, they come together and work together and shared common beliefs and values in an organization. So organization culture should be more conducive enough for achieving an organizational goal. Therefore, this aspect of anthropology plays an important role in understanding or predicting the behavior at the cultural level. So these are the disciplines. Another disciplines are organizational behavior is also derived from the political science. How basically, if you talk about the conflicts, if you talk about the power, so there are clashes when the people working together from the diverse background, then there are clashes occurring between the people working in an organization. So for resolving all those conflicts and power, importance of political science becomes more prominent. So political science also plays an important role in an organizational context. There are trade unions, there are various negotiation strategies that has been used in an organization. For example, collective bargaining, you can say, or you can say another one is negotiation, right? So these are the special aspects that includes in the political science part. So this is how basically the organizational behavior derived from the various disciplines like psychology, sociology, anthropology, and political science. So these concepts of various disciplines are being used in an organizational behavior context. So this is all about the concept of organizational behavior and how it is derived from the various disciplines. So if you like this video, you can like and subscribe the video also. Thank you.